This was me on Valentine's Day. I regret telling my daughter today is Valentine. Yes, if I had known, I would have just cooked or take them out and we celebrate the Valentine. But I made mistake by telling her today is Valentine. So she thought on Valentine's Day is like Christmas. So she urged me to put all the Christmas lights, bring her the Christmas, arrange the house, bring her new clothes, bring her new shoes, of which those things were not available. But I told her, okay, don't worry, let's make the fish first. Then I will explain to you better. In process of making this fish wasn't easy because she was all over me. Oh, where is the Christmas light? Mommy, where is the Christmas light? Bring out the Christmas light. Oh, when are we go? It was so much. But however, I kept it going. This fish is made with love and affection. Every ingredient here you're seeing, we actually created them by ourselves. All the flavor here, all the spices here, we actually make them by ourselves. Well, the show must go on. With or without distraction, the show must go on. So I put on the whole sauce, slice the vegetables, put the vegetables on the fish. I was just praying, I said, God, let this fish be ready in another 1 hour because I wasn't ready for too much drama. But there was more drama going on than you think. I have to silence some of the noise at the background because it was too much. The next video, after this video, is going to be more chaotic than this because it was ice cream we were doing. Okay, let's eat the fish first.